can you get right back into it? Is it a good time to answer a question?
Yeah. No, we can answer a question now, sure.
So there's a question here. When you're talking about the design library, it can take, you're suggesting 10 to 30 minutes to create a model, but this customer is saying they can typically create a Grecian type pool within like 3 to 5 minutes. So this doesn't seem a lot faster. So can you please elaborate on how this is going to save them time?
Well, there's two aspects. One is creating a template, and the second is using that template. So once your template is created, which can be anywhere, say from 5 to say 30 minutes, depending on how complex your model is. And for a model like this, it's about 5 minutes. The second piece is when you use that template, when you just open up that template and use it, it is 30 seconds to dimension it. So the dimensioning process that we showed at the beginning, where you've got a form, you literally punch in values for, say, the width, the depth, the safety legs, the slope type, and all that kind of stuff. That's what you would typically do once your templates are created. Depending on how many pools you do offer, how many different pool designs you offer, you would have any number of templates to support that. And you may have some that are sort of ready for customization and some that are more standard. So I don't want to make it seem like you have to draw from scratch each time. You can actually have a number of different designs that are saved as templates, and you go from there. And in fact, because of the power of SOLIDWORKS, you can create macros which further add efficiency to your process. So here we have a slightly different shape that we've just nested, and we're going to stop the nest right here because there's no need to really let it run any longer. We're going to accept that. We're going to hit the export button. And now you can see these are some of the layers that are supported in terms of notches or zones if you've got pieces with a different quality levels, but that doesn't really apply for PVC vinyl. So we're just going to export that. We've got a preset for the Eastman cutter. Save that. And we will just go and open this file up again. Let's go to our file folder here. And there is our nest file, which is analogous to the file there. So this is ready for the cutter. Now I just have to emphasize at this point, you're ready to take this to the cutter, and once it's cut, it'll be notched with alignment of notches that will make it ready for the welding station. So you don't have to go through a separate process in order to do that. So there's two things: efficiency in design, and then post-design, you've got your materials prepared in such a way that you can get to the subsequent manufacturing step, cutting, and then in this particular case, welding very, very quickly. So that's it. That's the process. And generally speaking, if you're doing it from scratch like this, you can expect about anywhere from say 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 minutes or so that you can get through a project, with substantial opportunities for further design automation depending on how you run your business.